Now let's look at the range of dates. So let me have a max date of 2020, the month October, and 24th is the date. So if you see, I can't go past 2020 October 24. So it can be before that. It can be before that any dates, but this is wrong, right? So it's better to have a minimum date. Let's say I have a minimum date. See, I just commented out. I just copied something and I commented out. I'm gonna use it later, so that's why. So I don't think we have anyone who's born before 1900. So I'm gonna say someone born after 1900 January 1st. See, 1900, but the past dates could be anything. There's no limit, but it's better to have a limit, so that's why I'm gonna keep probably this 2021 one. We don't have a 3-year-old kid who's gonna enter its date of birth, so this should be on the safe side. Now we have a range which is January 2020, 1st October, 1st January, and it can't be before 1900. So this range is to make sure that no one enters wrong date. I mean, we don't need values that's before 1900, like 1800, all that.